Unleash the skies with the XT709 GPS Drone, a feature-packed quadcopter built for stunning aerial photography, intelligent flight, and next-level obstacle avoidance. Designed for both enthusiasts and beginners, this drone offers professional 8K HD image capture, dual-camera versatility, and GPS-assisted smart features, all in one compact, foldable design. Stunning 8K Ultra HD plus dual cameras. The XT709 is equipped with an 8K front-facing camera that captures breathtaking detail and cinematic video from above. Need more flexibility? The built-in bottom camera allows for switching angles during flight, giving you unique perspectives for every shoot, whether you're filming landscapes, real estate, or action scenes. You'll experience true depth, clarity, and vibrant color in every frame. Ideal for social media content, YouTube videos, or even professional-grade aerial footage. Shield Omnidirectional Obstacle Avoidance. Fly smarter and safer with 360-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance. Sensors on all sides actively detect nearby objects and help the drone avoid collisions automatically, giving you peace of mind during tight maneuvers, indoor flights, or while flying in complex environments. GPS Smart Flight System. The XT709 includes an advanced GPS positioning system, enabling powerful intelligent flight modes such as One Key Return to Home, Follow Me Mode, Waypoint Navigation, Point of Interest Orbiting. These GPS features make your flight not only safer but also effortless and cinematic, perfect for hands-free filming. Smooth performance, foldable and ready to go. Powered by high-efficiency motors and a durable design, the XT709 offers stable flight, excellent wind resistance, and responsive controls. Its foldable arms make it easy to store and carry, so you're always ready to capture amazing aerial moments, whether you're at the beach, hiking, or exploring the city. With a long battery life and extended flight range, this drone gives you the freedom to explore farther and film longer. Beginner-friendly features. One key takeoff and landing. Altitude hold mode for stable hovering. Headless mode for easy orientation. Dual camera switching via app. Real-time FPV transmission via 5G Wi-Fi. Everything is controllable from the intuitive app or remote controller, making it perfect for pilots of all skill levels. Key specs. Camera with flash 8K UHD front camera plus bottom HD camera. Satellite dish GPS plus optical flow positioning. Shield 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors. Antenna bars 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Battery up to 20 to 25 minutes of flight time. Luggage foldable design for portability. Brain multiple intelligent flight modes. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or just want to experience the thrill of flying, the XT709 GPS drone combines ease of use with professional results, giving you the tools to create breathtaking aerial videos, anywhere, anytime.